everybody. So I know I have you a little higher than normal. That is because I did this hair. This was inspired by Leyna Bloom. She is a model, actress, dancer. She is a trans icon. She's so beautiful. I love her look. I definitely recommend going and checking out her Instagram. This look is inspired by this look. So we have this nice big like bouffant kind of 60s-esque, and I'll show you how to do that. It's a little hard for me to show the back because it is kind of like a French twist with a little chignon on it. I didn't see the photo or the back of it obviously with Leyna's photo, but that's kind of what I just improv'd on, taking some hints from hair school. How to finish a French twist. So anyway, and the makeup is inspired by the same photo, so I really hope you guys enjoy the video. It means more to me that you've stopped by than anything I can describe, so thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! So going into the P. Louise base on the eyes, which is what I use every time pretty much. Actually, no, every time. I don't know why I said pretty much, but then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and I'm using the color Birch. It's like this mid-tone neutral brown, so you could definitely use whichever you have in your collection. For the lid, I actually didn't do anything on the brow bone. I just blended this right up, and it was lighter at the brow bone because of the blend. The concentration of the color is centered in the crease. Then the white on the eye, I used Sugarpill Tako eyeshadow, and I used that on the eye. Then went ahead, blended back over with the Birch to make sure that there was no like cut crease or anything, and then back over with the white to kind of reinforce that pigment and make sure that it did not get spotty or anything like that. Over top of the white, I wanted to make sure that it was shimmery because in Leyna's photo it does look shimmery to me at least. So I have Cut the Cake from the Star Wedding palette that I went ahead and used, and honestly that was the eye. It was very simple. The eyeliner is the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. I went ahead and used that for the eyeliner, and I actually really enjoyed it. You just have to make sure that you give it a really good shake first prior to use. Then I went ahead and curled my lashes and applied Benefit Their Real Magnetic Mascara. And for lashes, I used the Naya Lashes by Poppy and something. I can't remember the name. But I used some beautiful full lashes, and I made sure that they were more length in the center because I like that rounded eye look when I have winged eyeliner on. See, I think it gives a nice look. And so they are longer in the outer corner, but I cut off the edge of the outer corner and then put it in the center of the eyelash to give some added length. For base, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, going into the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I will be blending that out on my forehead, chin, and upper lip, and then under my eyes. If I'm not mistaken, I used my finger. Yes, I did. Then I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation. I'll be smearing that all over my face with a foundation brush, and then I will be using a beauty blender to further blend that out. I like to use a beauty blender to blend that out because it gets rid of any brush streaks or anything like that. For bronzer, I used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Light. I do love this. This is very, very good in my opinion. And for the blush, I used the Made by Mitchell Peach Sugar Blursh, which is one of my favorite colors. It's so stunning. Every time I wear it, I get tons of compliments on my live streams. Live streams are on TikTok, and full videos are on TikTok and YouTube if you would like to see. The only thing that I don't have on TikTok for my full videos is my introduction, where I talk about the person and show the reference photo. So, because I want you guys to go check out each, you know what I mean? Go check out each social needs. Go to YouTube for the full video, including introduction. Go to TikTok for the live streams and the full video if you want to skip the introduction. Go to Instagram if you want to see me post stories and just talk some shit, you know? You know, cross-promoting. That's what they talk about, cross-promoting. Then I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder under my eyes and all over my face. The white is what I use under my eyes, and then I use my regular skin color all over my face. Then I went ahead, did my eyebrows with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, my fave brow product, and set the face with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. This is very old. Just use whatever loose powder you have in your collection. I do like this, though. If they still have this, definitely look into it, because it is really good. Then I went ahead and dusted that off and used the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze to reinforce the bronze on the perimeter of my face. Also, I recommend the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula if you want a direct dupe for that. For under the eyes, I used the Made by Mitchell in the Nude All Smudge No Budge eyeliner. Love this. My favorite eyeliners of all are the Made by Mitchell, both the All Smudge No Budge and the liquid eyeliner. I don't remember the name of it, but the liquid eyeliner is phenomenal. Would love to repurchase, but I don't want to make a purchase just for that, you feel me? So I'm just vibing with whatever I have in my collection right now, calling it a day. The Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter is what I used on the cheeks for the highlight. For lips, I did Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, lip liner, and lipstick. Very simple. Not really much to say. For the lip liner and lipstick combo, I mean, it's literally, you put on the lip liner and then you put on the lipstick, and that's that. And then for hair, I did the Big Bouffant. So the nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about it having style, curl, anything like that. Just give some texture. So just spray some dry shampoo in your hair. Make sure that there is some texture. Lots of teasing. Prior to teasing, spray with hairspray. I used a high hold from Tresemme. And then it's like a yellow label. I can't remember the name of it. And then use after as well too, like at the end. But prior to teasing, spray in the section. That gives some added grip. You can also get some teasing powder, some back combing powder, volume powder, whatever you want to call it. I use the one by Got2b. I didn't use that in this tutorial, but regardless. Tease it lots, comb it out. Just the top layer. Don't comb out the root of the tease. And I did French lace the back a bit. That's where you're teasing and you're pulling all the way through, so you're not stopping at the root. You're pulling through so that you have length at the bottom too. Then for this French twist, I brought all the way over to one side. And then for the French twist, I twisted this back onto itself. It's harder to do a French twist on yourself than it is to do on a client, so I'm sure it did not look great, but I'm not worried about that. Then for my ends, I just went ahead and twisted them around and created a little tiny chignon or a little bun, and that was that. Give yourself some added volume, pull out some bits on the sides, and you are good to go. I went ahead and sprayed some final bits with the Tresemme Extra Hold or whatever, and that was that. You have a nice bouffant. Get that bang swoop. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.